what's
How's it
up?
going, man?
I'm good. You need my ID or something or no?
No, I'm good. I'm good, bro. Do you acknowledge that this
Okay,
is live?
so yeah, of course.
And hold up. Do you
So
acknowledge? Hold up, bro.
yeah,
Do you acknowledge that this is live and I can use the clips however I choose?
yeah, of course.
Okay, how can I help you?
So I need life marketing advice.
Okay.
I'm 22. I'm just right now in the college in Israel. Now I'm doing like some. I was really into anime and stuff, so I was doing like a graphic design. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you know what happened yesterday
Yes, AF.
with the
Open
AI with the
AI.
phone. All they
I
just dropped.
know. I know.
And
Let them
now
work,
I'm working with clients,
bro.
and
Over.
okay, so I was making like 5, 6K a month. And buddy just took my fucking job. Like, I don't know what to do, bro.
Okay. I'm so glad you brought this up. People don't know what happened yesterday. This is what I've been warning you guys. I've been warning people. Call me the fucking the whatever the guy. What have I been saying? AI is coming.
That's
Yesterday,
crazy. Like, I'm still in year 2, bro, and I'm working with clients. But right now, like, what should I do, bro? It's in the details, bro. Like, what should I do?
okay,
It's
calm
literally
down,
taking
relax,
my job, bro.
relax, relax. So what happened yesterday was OpenAI released probably the best image generator in human history. It can pretty much do everything that fucking a graphic designer can do.
Into the finest details, Fit. In the
Yeah, I
finest
know.
details.
I
That's
know.
crazy.
Bro, I know. It's so if you have a graphic design degree, your life is over. If you're doing graphic design, it's over. This is
Have you
why
done it on yourself, the feat? Have you done it to yourself? Have you done it to yourself?
I haven't played around with it yet, but I've seen what it can do, and
You should do, because it will literally get you the details of the chain and the tank top. It's crazy, man.
Anyway, so like I keep telling you guys, this is the year. I keep telling you, this is the year that if you don't figure out something to make you above average, you're going to wake up and you're gonna have nothing left. You guys can think I'm playing if y'all want to, but the next best thing you could do right now, bro, is to figure out shit. You might have to get, I don't even fuck, man. This shit's crazy.
Good.
No, you're not. Let's take a deep breath. Let's think. Okay, so you working with how many clients right now?
Like, probably if it's mostly private clients, so probably like 6, 7 a month, which is pretty good. Like 5K a month, like, it's pretty good. But I'm still studying.
Yeah.
But yesterday when it dropped, I was literally like, oh my god, like, there's no way.
What you need to do is you need to learn that shit front and back and figure out how you can inject your expertise to offer something more. So so you need to learn that tool so it can help you with your own graphic design skills, but you want to add some kind of personable like touch in terms of consultations or like services that you can provide. Don't let it just wipe you out like that.
Yeah, but what I seen yesterday, bro, even Elon Musk put it on Twitter, bro. There was literally meme coins of literally like Gilby stuff,
Yeah.
And this is just money, like people making millions out of this Gilby stuff. The fucking meme coins, you know what I'm saying? It's so crazy, man. Like,
I mean,
this is Gilby coin, and it's just moons.
This is why you have to be ahead. This is not the year. I'm telling you, this 2025 is the year that you got to put your head down and like don't fuck around. So what I would do, is I would try to learn the tool. Have you been practicing with it?
Yeah, of course, bro. It's crazy. Like, bro, like I saw so many guys launching some meme coins about just doing Gilby stuff, generating Gilby stuff, and it's literally moving to 12, 30 million market caps. People making money off of it, like literally thousands of dollars.
So you got to learn it as fast as possible, and then you got to try to offer some kind of consulting services. You got to get better at something quickly.
Because I need to think quick. Like that's insane, man. That just shifted my whole brain.
This is the thing, right? Most people are stupid. Unfortunately. Fortunately and unfortunately, right? People don't even know what the fuck happened yesterday.
I was very complacent. I was in my land study, I literally didn't think this will drop, but like, this is crazy. Okay. This stuff's making me 2 hours to make.
I get you. So use it to make your life easier, and then start figuring out what you can add
to make it even more.
Exactly, to make it more personable and help the client get more out of their services that they're buying from you. So now don't look at it as a threat. Use that shit to make the projects that you have happen faster, and then you now are going to add more stuff.
Yeah. Now, actually, like, bro, it's so crazy, like how the world shifts. As you said, I remember you saying a couple of times, "Hey, I will change this," but bro, the Gilby stuff, I'm telling you, this is next level. Like, this is really a shift in the space, you know?
I know. I mean, that's what
You
I
need
would
to
do,
try it
bro.
on yourself. I'm telling you, Fit, it will literally get you even the tiniest details
I
when
bet.
you.
I bet. I know what's coming, bro. I've been saying it. I've been saying it. Guys don't have to listen to me. You
I will
don't.
do one, and I'll do one on you. It will
Okay.
literally get you all the. Yeah.
All right, man.
Okay,
I
should I
appreciate
show you
you.
my fitting and stuff? Or no, there's no need.
Do you want to see it? Do you want help with it?
I mean, yeah, probably like I'm just right now cutting, but I don't know if like I'm pretty imbalanced in my physique, you know.
Okay.
So,
Let's see the physique.
all right, I'm 6'3", so
Okay. All right. Your body looks pretty good, man. You're in great shape.
I have
Yeah.
some legs and stuff, but I still need to get down. Or do you think I should like do a lean bulk?
No. Stay where you at. Right. Just keep trying
I
to
still
get.
don't see the abs, you know.
You
Like,
just add some cardio, and just be
I'm
leaner.
doing it like every day, like 30 minutes a day. As you
Okay.
said, incline stuff.
Okay. So just make sure your nutrition is on point. Okay.
Yeah. I just did I think my problem is we sometimes do when I do a bulking, I just eat a bit too much. Like I get to eat some junk food, you know. This won't hurt, this won't hurt. Then as you
Okay.
see, like you're a surplus of like 1,000 calories a day, which is not good.
Don't worry. So just make sure that whatever you're eating is on point with your cardio. Keep trying to get stronger, and your body will look good. All right, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
All right, bro. Peace. Go back and roll the tape. What do I keep telling y'all? I'm telling y'all, man, this is the year. Man, if you're not sitting down, learning something. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Think it's a game. When trillionaires are telling you what's going to happen, they are literally telling you the future. This is the year where everything will be replaced. They're going to try to take every fucking opportunity that I'm telling you, bro. Jobs are going to go like this. So if you're not learning something to give yourself a shot, you're too happy over this. I'm not happy. I'm just trying to tell you more. I've been trying to warn you. I've been trying to tell. This is just the beginning. They're gonna roll. They already have shit that's gonna destroy the world. I'm telling you, they're gonna just keep rolling it out every month, and you have to be ahead of the game. All right, it's the ChatGPT 4.0 model, the image generator. Like now, every graphic designer doesn't have a job. Done, just like that. Can create anything image wise to the finest detail. That was his job. I'm telling you. All right. Okay. I'm not happy. I'm just trying to let y'all know. You don't have to listen to me. Think this is a game. Mark my words. Think this is a game. Give it 3 more months. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. Link is in the chat. Link is in the chat. If you would like to join, come maximize your life. Link is in the chat.